afternoon, everyone. My topic for today is health and fitness advantages of aerobic exercise. So, dili na na ko explain si aerobic exercise kay kadaghan naman yung nag-explain. So, ano yung health and fitness advantages of aerobic exercise? So, aerobic exercise offers extensive health and fitness benefits by improving cardiovascular health, enhancing mood and cognitive function, aiding in weight management, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. So, base sa ilang kay, para sa yung laganina no, na aerobic exercise po no, is naghatag po siya o mga benefits by improving our cardiovascular health and enhancing our mood, and also sa atuang mga weight management, and gina-reduce po niya ang risk na like chronic disease, heart disease, and certain cancers. So, sa cardiovascular health, so if duta o aerobic exercise is gina-strengthens niya ang atong heart. And base sa ay katong sa report naman ni maganina ni Camila no, na daw ang aerobic exercise is nag-help siya sa atong heart na mag-pump ng blood more efficiently, and also sa kanay nag-manage po siya of blood pressure and cholesterol. So aerobic exercise like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, and etc. can help lower our high blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels by increasing good HDL. So ang pasabot ni HDL is high density lipoprotein cholesterol. And wala. So weight management and metabolism. So example po ni advantage example po sa advantages of doing aerobic exercise sa ato health is nag-burn siya of calories and fat. So aerobic activities burn calories which can contribute to our weight loss or help maintain a healthy weight. So ikaw kung gusto kung imong lawas kay bulk na gani, gusto nga ma-maintain ka kung mo na yung mga lawas is magdulang daw ka mga aerobic activities para ma-maintain mo na nga healthy lawas, and boost metabolism. So ang pasabot sa metabolism no is wala siya ang process sa food and energy maratak sa lawas. And sa boost metabolism no, aerobic exercise can increase your metabolism and making your body more efficient at processing food and energy. So katulad si Mr. Santua